This is quite violent no? Kasi these are piranhas eating yung fish. No? That is how nature talaga.
Oh! Someone stole it! Oh my God. Oh, they're fighting against it?
Saan sa ilalim na? Ayun no? Feeding time nila. Grabe. No? Sa ilalim mo? They're eating. Wow.
Michael was tired. Michael's full.
Saan na yung fish? Naubos na? Ay, si ilalim. Dito oh. Dito pala.
Laki ng piranha. Carnivorous.
Di another variety kasi yung ibang mga piranha.
Guys, piranha guys.
Piranha? Yeah. Yan oh, kinakain nila oh.
Piranha feeding time.
You know? Ano mo? Eat that. Pero yung piranha kasi na alam ko, small sila eh, na marami.
Baka sa movie yung alam mo.
Lumaki na siguro to.
Look overfed na to.
Oo, I think so. Wow.
Makita mo ito.
Ano area? Ayan oh. See how violent tong mga fish na to? Grabe. Makain sila oh. Timing kami sa feeding time here at COEX Aquarium. Kanina buong isda yan, ngayon wala na no? In less than 3 minutes.
Commentary to ba?
Ha?
Good commentary.
Less than 3 minutes. So, ang pagkakalam kasi ng piranha, they're smaller than this type. No? But siguro over the years, lumaki na rin sila.
Yes.
Huh?
Huh? Why you look so happy? I see your face across the aquarium. You like it large.
Wala na, ubus na. In less than 3 minutes, full yung isda, ubus nila. No? They consume.